Let's divide 74 by 2. Hey math adventurers, didn't forget to smash that look button and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math fun. Alright, let's start dividing 74 by 2. We look at the first digit of 74, which is 7. We'll use this digit for now. How many times does 2 fit into 7? It fits 3 times. Let's check. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. Now we subtract 6 from 7, which leaves us with 1. Awesome job, we're doing great. We'll bring down the next digit, 4, to make 14. Now we have 14. Let's keep going. We use the 1 we had, and the 4 we brought down to make 14. How many times does 2 get into 14? It's 7 times. Let's check. 7 multiplied by 2 is 14. Subtract 14 from 14 and we get 0. We're done. You totally crushed it. Huff of. We've divided 74 by 2 and found our answer. Great work, math whiz. Says 74 divided by 2 equals 37. Great job, everyone. We did it. We learned how to divide 74 by 2 using long division. Remember, every problem is an ants to shun. That's all for today. Keep practicing and I'll see you in the next video on Let's Stud. Buh.